Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this origami board. So let's start. To make it, take a 21 cm by 21 cm square sheet, fold it in half, open it and fold the two sides to this line here. Turn it, then the other side. Now open it and fold it to this line here. Turn it and then fold it to this line. Now fold this side to this line here, like this. And then fold this part to the same line again. Like this. Now fold this side this, and then fold it just like this. Now turn it to the other side and fold it to the same line like this, and then fold this part to this line. Like this. Now just fold it like this. You should do the same thing on the other side. Turn it, fold it. Now fold this side to the line, and then again now on this side. Like this. Turn it to the opposite side. Fold it like this. And then fold this part to the line here. Just like this. And now fold this in half too, like this. Now you should have something like this. Turn it and fold it in half. Now when you see it from the side, from one side you should have 4 and on the other side you should have 3. Now should fold it till this part here, like this. And then the other way. Now face it where you have 3 folds like this, and then gently open it like this. Now fold this part like this, just crease it on the corners. Just like that. Now just fold it on the peak here, just like this. Proper. There we go. We have finished making the board. You can keep your dolls in and play with it. It was really fun making this and it looks really good. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.